Being an accomplished figure skater is hard enough. Being an accomplished figure skater in sync with 11 other people, that's a whole different story. If you like cheese, you gotta like fondue. I sure do. For simple stress relief, just relax and unwind at the Himalayan Salt and Wellness Cave. A new Healthy Minute from Phoenixville Hospital Tower Health. NBC10 Morning News Anchor Tracy Davidson tells us how she gets a good night's sleep. Our exercise of the week, and a whole lot more.
I'm Tanya Stroh, a certified personal trainer and contributing author. One thing I learned is that fitness isn't just exercise. Healthy living is more than working out and even eating well. It's about balance. Don't force exercises that are boring. Don't eat food you don't like. Don't let fear hold you back. Life is about living on your terms, so we put it all together on your and my Fitness RX.